how to delete Instagram account without password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you already have an Instagram account and you change your mind to delete your account, but you don't know your password as well, so here is how you can delete your Instagram account. First of all, launch the Instagram application. And if you are already logged in, you will get to this interface. Now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then that will take you to your profile page. Now again tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will pop up. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. And again under your Account section, tap on Accounts Center. There, scroll down a bit and under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. There you will get two options as memorialization or deactivation or deletion. So you have to tap on deactivation or deletion. Now you have to select your account. So select your Instagram account. There you will again get two options as to deactivate your account or delete your account. It says deactivating your account is temporary and deleting your account is permanent. Now if you have made your mind to delete your account, then tap on delete account. After that, tap on continue. Here you have to select the reasons why you are deleting your account. Then tap on continue. Now for the security, you will be asked to enter your password. Since we don't remember our password, now the only way to delete Instagram account without password is to recover your password or change your password, then log in with that password. In order to do so, tap on Forgot Password under Continue button. Now you will be sent an email on your Gmail. So go back and open Gmail on your device. Here you will receive an email from Gmail. So tap on that. Then tap on Reset Password. Now change your password. Then tap on Reset Password. Now once your password is changed, again follow the same steps. And here type in the password that you have currently changed. Then tap on continue. Now in order to confirm, tap on delete account, and that's how you delete Instagram account without password. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.